Do you consider yourself open-minded? Do you consider yourself a seasoned investor? Do you bank with the big 5 banks like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo? Because if you answered yes to all those questions, you're gonna learn something in this video. Even if this video is mainly targeted for beginners, you're gonna learn how to earn 5% return risk-free. You know what's funny? I think that a lot of people consider themselves as open-minded, myself included. Growing up, I always thought of myself as open-minded. When it came to investing, I always thought that I knew what I was doing. I mean, I knew how to keep my money safe, and I knew how to use that money to earn more money. Or so that is what I thought. I mean, growing up in Vancouver, Canada, where both of my parents are immigrants from Hong Kong, they spoke no English. They don't speak English to this day. All they had to rely on is hard manual labor in order to get by. And that's what made me so careful about money. I mean, back when I was 16, I opened my first bank account and I made sure that I was earning an interest rate, and I earned 2% interest rate with HSBC back then. But as time passed, I grew older and I grew wiser, I would like to think. And what I discovered was all the lessons that I learned growing up, they actually fell to the wayside. So the reason those lessons fell to the wayside was literally because of my ego. And it wasn't until I ran into this Reddit post where this investing savant was using wealthfront to earn a 5.3% risk-free return. And that really made me think, maybe I wasn't as open-minded as I thought. Maybe I wasn't as seasoned of an investor as I thought. Heck, right here, I am using a corrupt bank that wasn't paying me any interest at all and had a lower FDIC insurance than Wealthfront. And that bank that I'm talking about is Wells Fargo, which have been in the news for breaking the law time and time again. So after carefully reading that Reddit post and researching and deliberating, I came to a decision. I'm gonna close all my bank accounts and keep basically $500 at my Wells Fargo's checking account, which is the minimum needed to avoid any fees. And I'm gonna put all my money in Wealthfront to earn that nice 5.3%. Now, and later on in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also earn that 5.3%. But before I do, I'm going to show you guys all the options that you have, because Wealthfront is not the only ones doing this. And unlike Wells Fargo, I want you guys to know everything that you have, all the options that you have, because I like to keep things transparent. So aside from Wealthfront, you guys have 3 other alternatives, and all of these have no account fees and no minimums. So here are the comparisons. So there are only really 3 factors that we're going to look at here. It's interest rates, FDIC insurance, and cashback bonuses. Now, first of all, let's go with Wealthfront. They have interest rates of 4.8, which can go up to 5.3% from referral. They have FDIC insurance of $5 million, but they have no cash bonuses. Ally has interest rates of 4.25%, FDIC insurance of $250K like any other bank, no cash bonuses. Marcus, which is by Goldman Sachs, has 4.3% interest rate. Again, $250K of FDIC insurance and no cash bonuses. SoFi, which is the second best alternative here, is 4.5% interest rate, $2 million of FDIC insurance, and 15% cashback bonuses from select local businesses. Now today we walk through how to get set up with Wealthfront, but SoFi is very attractive. I might take advantage of their offer as well, just to take advantage of the bonus that they're offering right now. So I don't know whether you guys do this or not, but any finance business that is trying to get customers usually have some sort of referral code. So if you go and Google search Wealthfront high yield savings code, you're probably gonna find some Reddit post that gives you someone's code, which lets you rise up from 4.8% to 5.3% on the APY on Wealthfront. So using that referral link, you can see that now I can sign up for 5.3% on Wealthfront. So let's go ahead and click get started. So this cash account is just gonna be for me. You're gonna put in your information and click continue. You're gonna put in your email address and create a password and click I'm not a robot and click continue. So put in your phone number so you could get verified. Make sure to click remember my advice and click next. So you can link an account to fund it. I'm gonna go with Wells Fargo because that's my bank account. So after you've linked your bank account, select my funding account and then pick your bank account. And then you're gonna put how much you want to deposit. So that's basically up to you. You can pick whatever you want. I'm just gonna go with, let's say, $5,000. So go through, get more detail, put in your date of birth, put in your address, put in your social, select your tax filing status, and then just put some number for your liquid net worth. I'm just gonna go and say like 150,000. put in whatever your pre-tax is. I'm just gonna go put 100,000. Employed, this is my primary source of income, and then put in your employer and occupation. Most of you are gonna click no on this one, and then click the I agree and open my account. And there you go, you've signed up. So there you go, now you know how to earn a 5.3% risk-free return, but please be sure to keep an eye on the rate because they do change without notifying you. Now if you want to find a referral code without doing the searching, then please check in the description or the pinned comment below because I'll leave my referral code for you down there. Now if you want to know the secret of how Wealthfront and these other banks can offer you such a high interest rate and why big banks like Wells Fargo and Chase can't, then check out this video right here.